Hey you! Do you play Kingdom Hearts Unchained and have gilted medals, but aren't hardcore enough to keep up with the demands of a top 10? Do you want a party for the sole purpose of clearing events and keeping current, while having people active enough to actually participate in event raid bosses? Then Weebhut Jr. on Unicornis might be for you. My name is Gumi, and my partner leader is Wooper. We've been playing consistently since day one, with only about 5 days missed since the start. We're completely core all the way as well. There's no weekly Lux quotas or requirements, other than being moderately active to help out during events, and having at least one useful Gilted medal to share. So if the idea of a middle-of-the-road party that's friendly to free-to-play and cheap-to-play alike, as long as they just keep up with the game, is appealing to you, come on down and join the Weebhut. Oh god, please someone join with the Gilted World of Final Fantasy medal. I need to gilt Zaldin. Please. Recruiting today.